Hey, welcome back. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'm Carlton with Pull My Pork BBQ, and I hope everyone's staying safe with all this COVID-19 going around. And a lot of the states have you stuck at home. And luckily, I've been having to work every day and trying to stay safe. And I hope everyone is too. And I really appreciate you being here and spending time with me in my kitchen here. Today, I've got a really good recipe for you. We're going to be doing Cajun pulled pork. And I tried this recipe about 3 weeks ago just to try it, and it turned out absolutely amazing. So I wanted to share it with you. It's a really easy recipe. I was going to do this, I did the last one on my Bradley smoker, and I was going to do this one on the Bradley smoker, but I'm running short of apple biscuits, so I'm going to do it on my pellet smoker because I got plenty of apple pellets. And but you can do, just like all my other recipes, you can do this recipe on any smoker you have. Just follow the directions. So let's get to it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to inject it with some Cajun butter. And I went and picked this up. You can make this stuff at home. It's not that hard to make. Just with all the hours I've been working, I haven't had time. So I'm going to pour a little bit in this little bowl here, and we're going to inject it with this. And this Cajun butter even comes with a little injector that, so you know, it's all in one thing. So I'm just going to put a little bit up in here. Okay. Now we're just going to go around and we're going to inject this. And you want to just, well, made a mess there. And you just inject it and plump it up a little bit. About every inch is what you want to do. Okay. And this is going to pair real well with the rubs that we're going to be using. And we're just going to go over the whole thing. I hope everyone's in good health and staying away from this COVID-19 best you can. Wyoming has been really good at limiting the exposure of it. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this all done, and I'll be right back with you as soon as I get it done. Okay, we got our Boston butt all injected with the Cajun butter. The next thing we're going to do, we've got some Dijon Mustard here that we're going to use as a binder. Doesn't take a whole lot. And we're just going to smear this on here. Just going to get it smeared on real good. Like I say, just a light coat of it, just so that our rub sticks really good while we put it on the smoker till it sets. Alright, first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put, I've got some Cajun Bait smoked jalapeno rub, and we're just going to put a light coat on this. We're going to just layer our flavors here. Running around on me. Okay. Get this little pat. Now we're just going to turn this over. Put a little bit of Dijon mustard on this side. Doesn't take much, just a little bit. Put a little coat of this on this side. Just a light coat to kind of layer these flavors. Okay. Now we're going to turn this back over. So I can get hold of it. Now we're going to use the Cajun Bait Garlic blend. And And we're going to go, we just put a light coat of the smoked jalapeno. We're going to put a little heavier coat of the garlic blend. This Cajun Bait seasoning is absolutely wonderful. If you've not tried it, you need to. Smell this rub. You can just smell it. It smells so good. Put the bottom of it right quick. And the more you keep turning it, the more it works this seasoning into the meat. Okay, now we've got that. Now the last rub we're going to put on it is the Cajun Bait Sweet Onion blend. And I'll have a link to all of this stuff that I'm using in the description down there for you so you can get it. And then we're just going to put a little heavier coat of this on it. All over the outside. We'll get this bottom here. There we go. All right, get this all patted in. Just a little bit of touch up here on the top. Okay. Now our pork butt is basically ready to go on the smoker. That's all that's all the seasoning we're going to do to it, right there. I'm going to let this hang out here. I'm going to go ahead and get my pellet grill up to, we're going to be running this about 250 degrees on our pellet grill. The last one I did on the Bradley smoker with apple biscuits, but I'm running short on the apple biscuits. I need to get some more, so I'm just going to do it on a pellet smoker. You can do this on any smoker you have. Doesn't matter if it's an offset, UDS, Weber kettle, electric smoker, pellet smoker, it doesn't matter. It works on all of them. Just follow these directions. I'll be right back with you. Okay, we're going to get this bad boy right on here. Right there. Okay. Let me get this closed up. We'll get it going. Okay, our Cajun pork is on the pellet grill, and we've got a little bit of downtime, and I wanted to talk to you about one of my sponsors here at the channel. They do incredible work. It's HaleyHome.com. They build custom cutting boards right here in the U.S., not in China, not in Mexico, right here in the U.S. They make custom cutting boards, custom picture frames, custom serving trays, custom coasters, just about anything that you can make out of wood. They custom make it and they engrave it for you. They're custom made and they're very affordable for being custom made. They made me this cutting board and engraved it for me and everything. I mean, look at this thing. It is beautiful. So they're one of my sponsors here. Go check them out at HaleyHome.com. If you need a cutting board or serving tray or anything like that, they can custom make it with your name or your design, whatever you want on it. And if you use the discount code PMP Barbecue, PMP BBQ, you'll get 20% off your order. So go check them out. I mean, this is a fantastic cutting board. I mean, I want you to look at this. They did an awesome job on it. So go check them out and get your custom stuff from them. Like I say, they're an American company. Everything's built right here in the U.S. So right now, with the way things have gone with this coronavirus, every small business in the country needs our help. So go check them out, HaleyHome.com, and get yourself one of these custom cutting boards. They've got different types of wood you can have them made out of. They'll make them for you, custom engrave them, And be sure and use the discount code PMPBBQ and get 20% off. So, okay, our Boston butt hit 165. We're gonna wrap it up in some aluminum foil now. Just kind of wrap this baby up. It's all wrapped up real good. Now I'm gonna go get this back on the smoker, and we're gonna take it to 203. So I'll be right back with you. Okay, we took our Boston butt to 203 degrees internal temperature, pulled it off smoker. I let it rest for about 15-20 minutes and unwrapped it. Now we're fixing to pull it, but before we do, let's kind of cover what we did to it. We injected with some the Cajun Butter injection, and I just picked it up at the store. You can make it at home. It's real easy. I think I've got on one of my other videos, I've got a recipe for that if you want to just make it yourself. Then we took some Cajun Bait seasonings. The first thing we did, we put some Dijon Mustard on it just as a binder, covered it, light coat on it. Then we come back with some Cajun Bait smoked jalapeno rub, put a light coat on it. Then we come back with the Cajun Bait Garlic rub and put a little heavier coat of that on it. Then we come back with the Cajun Bait Sweet Onion rub, and we put a good coat of that on it. Put it on the smoker. We run it at 250 degrees. Well, first I run it for 1 hour on the smoke setting because we had to use the pellet smoker. I was going to do this on the Bradley. I wouldn't need to do that, but on the pellet smoker we do. And then we run the temperature up to 250 degrees, and we let it run with the apple pellet till it reached an internal temperature of 165. Then we double wrapped it with aluminum foil and put it back on the smoker, took it to 203 degrees, pulled it off, let it rest for about 20 minutes. Now we're fixing to pull this. Man, it turned out looking good, and I mean, it is tender. You can just, it just pulls apart so easy. You can see that. I mean, it is so tender, it's just falling off. A good way to tell is if this bone pulls out clean. Look at that. So, I'm just gonna pull this, and then I know what we'll be having. We'll be having pulled pork, Cajun pulled pork sandwiches for a while. I'm gonna try a little bit of this, see how it turned out. Oh man, that is gonna make some good sandwiches right there. If you like Cajun seasoning, you're gonna love this. This is really good. It might even be better than the last one I did. And it turned out amazing. Well, there you have it. It's a simple recipe. It's real easy to follow, and I'll have links to all of the rubs and stuff that I did down there in the description of this video. And just remember, go by and check out Haley Home custom cutting boards and other stuff. I'll have a link for them, and be sure and use the discount code PMPBBQ, and that will get you 20% off of your order. So, and for all my subscribers and everything, they make fantastic products. So just stop by there and check them out. And it's a USA company. They don't bring anything in from China. So I want to send a special thanks out to all the people who watch my videos, all my subscribers. I truly appreciate it. And I want to send a special thanks out to all the men and women in the military that are serving around the world. And I want to send a special thanks out to all of our first responders, our police officers, EMS, our fire, and especially during this time of the coronavirus spread. I want to send a special thanks out to all the doctors, nurses, and everyone that's putting their life on the line to protect and save lives here in America. Thank you very much. My hat's off to you.